Yeah, yeah. You know what it is, coming straight back at you with another review. Check this shit out. This is the Revenger kit. Vaporesso Avenger. It's not the newest one. I have the newest one. But the newest one's called Revenger X. But like my other vape, it broke, so now I have to open the new one. Let's see what we get inside. Let's open this fucking nice shit up. Okay. Right. This is... I haven't opened up one of these in ages. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Oh yeah, okay. You rip this bit off. Fuck it, it's only a case, you don't need the case. And then, well, let me give me a second. This fucking thing. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, it's done. I needed to fucking wedge this out of that. It was fucked up. Stupid shit. And then you got your fucking, let's whack it all out on the fucking shit. And you got your fucking extra tanks and extra fucking shit. And your fucking cables and instructions and whatever the fuck is in here. I don't know what the fuck is in here. Alright, that's all you get. That's all your shit. Fucking the tank, the buttons and shit, and all this fucking tanks and shit, and the extra coil and all that fucking shit. Alright, see you later, fuckers.